Y'all, sup, cutting wheat. Well, we started cutting yesterday. Ever seen the first part of this video? We started cutting yesterday afternoon. This is the next, obviously, like I said, we're in the second field now. We have a little over 100 acres cut so far. The first field was kind of crabby, which we knew it would be. We knew it would be crabby. You can see that there's a wheat in the grass. It kind of we knew it would be crabby. Because that was kind of west of this lower ground field. You can see I'm swinging the auger out, getting full of this. It's pretty good wheat here. This monitor is not calibrated, and the monitor is saying our average yield in this field is 66 bushel. And we've done 15 acres in this field. This is about a 100 acre field here, so yeah. That's what's going on right now. I'll come back when we get some noise, I guess, I'll come back and I'm done. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.